Duplicate backnet conflicts are pretty common in OT networks, but they can be very elusive to diagnose, and left unsolved, can cause some pretty serious system instabilities. Fortunately, the solution has never been faster or easier than it is with OptigoVN. To get started, select a PCAP diagnostic result you've processed from the OT network you want to troubleshoot. It's represented by a green dot on the network health score graph. The device and router identifier conflict section of your results will instantly sort your duplication issues to let you know what you're dealing with fast. How fast? Let's find 3 different duplication issues in the next 2 minutes or less. In the first situation, we have duplicate network numbers. Normally, this can lead to communication errors, but with OptigoVN, we can instantly pinpoint the IP or MAC addresses of the 2 routers and see that they've both been assigned as routers to network number 5. A quick update to one of the router's network number configurations, and you're good to go. Next, we'll tackle the same issue, but with duplicate BBMDs. Having 2 or more BBMDs forwarding traffic from the same subnet can quickly multiply your network traffic and cause severe broadcast storms. OptigoVN zeroes in on the 2 conflicting BBMDs and their destination. Either disabling BBMD functionality on one device or quickly modifying the BBMD distribution table to remove the overlap is all that's needed to eliminate the issue. For a third one, we can also identify and update any duplicate instance IDs in just a couple seconds. Just use the IP or MAC address of one of those devices to reassign a unique ID and your problem's solved. Don't forget to run an updated diagnostic with OptigoVN to confirm your issue's fixed. Don't use OptigoVN yet? Start today by creating a free account at app.optigovn.com and discover what your OT networks are missing.